Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to speed up or slow down existing video for Instagram on iPhone. First of all, open iMovie app. If you don't have this iMovie, then you can download this iMovie app from App Store. So open this iMovie app and tap on Movie. Select here your video. Tap on Create Movie. Tap on the video timeline. Tap on the speed icon. And to make the video speed up, you have to increase this level from here and your video will be speed up. And to slow down the video, you have to decrease this level from here and your video will be slow. And then tap on Done at the top left corner. Tap on the share icon. Tap on Save Video and the video will be saved to your Photos app. Then you will be able to upload the video on your Instagram. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.